Imagine a device built 2,000 years ago, capable of tracking the sun, moon, and planets, predicting eclipses and even calculating the dates of ancient athletic games. A marvel of engineering centuries ahead of its time, lost to the sea for millennia. This is the story of the Antikythera Mechanism, an ancient computer hidden in the depths, waiting to be rediscovered. Our story begins in 1900, off the coast of the Greek island of Antikythera. A team of sponge divers, battered by a storm, took shelter near the island. When they resumed their work, one diver stumbled upon something extraordinary, a colossal shipwreck, laden with treasures from the ancient world. Among the statues and pottery, they found a lump of corroded bronze and wood, encrusted with marine growth. It looked like little more than a rock, but its unnaturally regular shape hinted at something more. What they pulled from the depths was unlike anything seen before, a perplexing relic that would puzzle experts for decades. For decades, the Antikythera Mechanism remained an enigma, its purpose hidden by centuries of corrosion. Traditional archaeological methods couldn't penetrate its secrets. But in the early 21st century, modern science stepped in. Using advanced X-ray tomography and 3D modeling, researchers embarked on a monumental task: to virtually peel back the layers of time. What they discovered was breathtaking. Beneath the calcified surface lay a complex network of over 30 intricate bronze gears, dials, and pointers. A mechanical masterpiece. This wasn't just a calendar. It was a sophisticated clockwork calculator, an astonishing leap in technology. This wasn't merely an ornamental curiosity. It was a cosmic calculator. The Antikythera Mechanism could accurately predict the positions of the sun, moon, and at least 5 planets. It accounted for their irregular movements and even predicted solar and lunar eclipses. More than that, it tracked the 4-year cycle of the ancient Olympic Games, providing a sophisticated calendar for both the heavens and human events. This single artifact reshapes our understanding of ancient Greek science and technology, revealing a level of sophistication we once thought impossible for the era. It bridges a technological gap of over 1,000 years, hinting at a forgotten legacy of mechanical genius. The Antikythera Mechanism is a powerful reminder of humanity's enduring curiosity and ingenuity. Explore how ancient wisdom continues to shape our understanding of science and technology. Visit a museum or research further into this incredible discovery.